If you are thinking about taking a vacation, then they're just giving a suggestion here for you to closely review your plans. And I'm getting that there may be something about email, as far as like, maybe your itinerary needs to be reviewed. Something of that nature is what I'm being suggested to say. That for sure that there was something here, maybe hidden in some details that could cause a little bit of delay, or just having to reschedule or rethink things through because there was a hitch somewhere in here. So those vacation plans, just take a good look at what's going on.